I want to show my working process and the final results in this video. I have 5 parts to accomplish: the body structure, the Bluetooth speaker, the engine and shaft suit, the lampshade, and the bamboo cane sphere. Interestingly, I used cat litter to build the molds and covered it with the thermoplastic clay to construct the hollow body structure containing a battery and Bluetooth speaker. The material seems funny, but it worked. The engine and shaft suit was custom-made, and my father helped to connect the wires of components of the Bluetooth speaker. Besides, I used color resin and shredded tissue paper to cover a balloon. When it dries, I burst the balloon, then the light could fit in the paper sphere. I also used bamboo canes to make a sphere. I did change the structure a little bit because the original plan was difficult to realize. Finally, I made it, and here's the result.